Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add the data age to your RTK fixed or RTK float or whatever GNSS mode you are in, and this will tell you how long it has been since you've last received a correction from your base station. So what I've done to begin here is I've loaded up a project. In my case, I'm just hooked up to the GNSS simulator, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner here, and I'm going to open up my settings menu and then my options menu. Within my options menu here, I'm going to open up the GNSS dropdown, and if I scroll down a bit here, you can see there is an option for a data age on measure button, and that will tell me the age since my last correction. So I'm going to click OK here, and you can see now below RTK fixed, there's this 0.0 second indication. So that's telling me it's been 0 seconds since my last correction, and since I'm using the simulator, that all makes sense. If you're using an RTK device in the field, you should see something around 1.0 second. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you add the data age to your map screen to get an idea of how good your corrections are. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.